Stuffed bell peppers recipe. Ingredients: bell peppers, Bulgarian peppers, ground meat, beef or lamb, rice, onion, carrot optional, garlic, tomato paste or fresh tomatoes, salt, black pepper, vegetable oil, fresh herbs, dill or parsley. Instructions: cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. In a bowl, mix ground meat, washed rice, chopped onion, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Stuff the peppers with the mixture. Place them in a pot. Add tomato paste mixed with water or fresh tomatoes. Pour a little oil and add salt. Cook on low heat for about 40 to 50 minutes until fully cooked. Enjoy! Delicious homemade stuffed peppers, juicy, flavorful, and perfect for family meals.